Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Welcome to English of class 4. My dear students, as we have completed the explanation of this unit 3, the busy ants, and I hope you all have completed your homework, which was the title page and one page writing. And in today's class, we will do our copy and our book work. So be a good student and take out your copies and your vision 4. After making the title page of this unit and doing one page writing, on the third page, we will do words meaning. So hurry up, take out your stationery, sharpen your pencils, sharpen your blue color, take out your scale and everything you need. And one thing more is that you have to do your work by your own. Work done by parents or any other will not be checked. So make sure you have to do your work by your own. मेरी तमाम वालदैन से गुजारिश है कि बच्चों को उनका काम खुद करने दिया जाए. वालदैन का या किसी और का कराया हुआ काम चेक नहीं किया जाएगा. Okay, so my dear students, first of all mention the date, homework, the date on which you are doing your homework, and then on the right side write homework. With the help of blue color, write words and meaning, the heading of words and meaning. You have to write the words with the blue color and meanings with your pencil. And one more thing, you have to draw the margin with the blue color. In the center of your copy, you have to draw the margin with the help of blue color. Then write words and meanings. Okay, I am reading these words and the meanings so that you can get familiar with these words. So let's start. Our first word is fluttering. Our first word is fluttering. Our first word is fluttering. Fluttering means flapping the wings rapidly. Fluttering means flapping the wings rapidly. Anthill. Remember the anthill? The home of ants. Anthill means the home of ants. Conference. Conference. Conference means meeting. Conference means meeting. Larva. Larva, small eggs of insects. Larva, the meaning of larva is small eggs of insects. Number 5, inspects. Inspects. Inspects means examine. Inspects means examine. Merrily. Merrily. Merrily means happily. Merrily means happily. Number 7, stumbled. Stumbled. Stumbled means lose balance. Lose balance. Guard. Guard means person who defends. Person who defends, or you can say a person who protects the colony. Number 9, piled. Number 9, piled. Piled means collected. Don't worry, if you are not writing with me, I will attach the PDF file along with the video. Or you can take a screenshot of this too. Number 10. My dear students, your writing should be very neat and clean. That's like my good students. Your writing should be very neat and clean. Number 10 is nectar. Number 10 is nectar. Nectar means juice of flowers. Nectar means juice of flowers. Number 11, majesty. Majesty means title of king or queen. Title of king or queen. Number 12, summon. Summon means to command or to give order. Summon means to command or to give order. Grumbled. Grumbled means complained. Grumbled means complained. Chased. Chased means ran after. Remember, the Roshan and the other ants chased the red ants when they were collecting their food. So chased means ran after. Disobey. Disobey means not to listen. Not disobey means not to listen. Okay, after doing this words meaning on the next page with the help of blue color, write on the red line reading comprehension. Mention the heading of reading comprehension with the help of blue color on the red line. On the red line of your copy. Very good. Now, reading comprehension exercise A. We are going to start the exercise A of reading comprehension. And our exercise number A is answer the following questions. On the red line, you have to write reading comprehension. And on the next line, you have to write exercise A. And on the other next line, you have to write answer the following questions. Our question number 1 is, where was the ant hill? Before starting the question answers, I have to mention this. You have to write the question with the help of blue color and answers with your pencil. Okay, now who will tell me where was the ant hill? Where was the ant hill? Yes, the ant hill was under a big rock in the soft soil. The ant hill was under a big rock in the soft soil. Question number 2. Where was the food kept? Where was the food kept? The food was kept in the larder. The food was kept in the larder. Why were more rooms needed in the anthill? Why were more rooms needed in the anthill? Because the answer is more rooms were needed for the baby ants. More rooms were needed for the baby ants. Our question number 4 is, what was the name of the grasshopper? This is very easy. Who will tell me? Hurry up, I am listening. What was the name of the grasshopper? Yes, the name of the grasshopper was Channa. The name of the grasshopper was Channa. Why did Roshan go out and play? Why did Roshan go out and play? Badal pulled his hand and forced him to play. Badal pulled his hand and forced him to play. Question number 6. What food items did Roshan bring? What food items did Roshan bring? Think and tell me. What food items did Roshan bring? Roshan had collected some grains of sugar and bread. Roshan had collected some grains of sugar and bread. Why was Badal ashamed? Remember when he was sad, he was feeling bad. Why was he ashamed? Badal was ashamed because he had disobeyed the queen ant. He had not listened to the queen ant, remember? And in the last, he was very sad that he didn't listen to the queen. So he was ashamed because he had disobeyed the queen ant. Question number 8. When did the ants sleep peacefully? When did the ants sleep peacefully? The ants slept peacefully when they had collected food for winter. The ants slept peacefully when they had collected food for winter. Now question number 9. These question and answers are so easy, right? They are very small. How did the ants have so much food in the end? How did the ants have so much food in the end? The answer is, every ant helped to collect the food. Every ant helped to collect the food. Question number 10. Who was in charge of defending the colony? Who was in charge of defending the colony? The guards were in charge of defending the colony. The guards were in charge of defending the colony. Which ant was the most obedient? Now who will tell me? This is very easy. Which ant was the most obedient? Okay, I am going to give you a hint. that ant was my favorite character, and in the last lecture I have told you about this, that this ant is my favorite. Yes, you guessed it so right. Roshan was the most obedient ant. Roshan was the most obedient ant. Now, the last question. How many types of ants were there in the colony? Okay, let me tell you. There were 4 types of ants in the colony. There were 4 types of ants in the colony. The queen ant, guards, soldier ants, and worker ants. Queen ant, guards, soldier ants, and worker ants. Now the question answers are finished and our book work, and now we are going to start our book work. Now hurry up, open up your books and close your copies, but keep your copies beside you. We are going to do another exercise in our copy too. Now exercise number B is, first of all open page number 49. Open page number 49, and on page number 49 there are 2 exercises, exercise B and C. We are going to do both of them. Our first exercise is, who said the following words? Who said the following words? And before starting our exercise, what we are going to do first? We have to mention the date. Very good. We have to mention the date and homework. Now, in this exercise, what we have to do is, we have to write the names of the characters who said these following statements. So our first statement is, oh no, it is nearly empty. Who said these words? Said the queen ant. These words are said by the queen ant. Let's go to the queen, said Roshan. No, the queen will be angry, said Roshan. Roshan said these words when they were planning to play with the grasshopper. So he was afraid that the queen will be angry. I didn't force you to play. Who said these words? In the last, the ant was very sad and feeling guilty. He said, I didn't force you to play. Remember? Yes, you guessed it right. Badal said these words. I await your orders, said Chand. Do you all remember Chand? Chand was the one who was responsible for the colony, to keep it clean and to make more rooms. Remember? I can race you to the end of the bush, said the grasshopper. Now our exercise number B is finished, and now we are going to do exercise number C. Now take out your favorite colors and scale, because we are going to do matching in this exercise. Do you all enjoy doing matching? Because I do. Our exercise number C is, match the qualities and actions with the correct characters. Okay, now there are 3 columns, and what we have to do is, in the center there is a heading of character, and there are 4 characters: Queen Ant, Badal, Roshan, and the grasshopper. In the first column there are qualities, and in the last column there are actions. What we have to do is, we have to match the qualities and the actions with the respective character. We have to match the qualities and the actions with the respective characters. For example, our first one is green. Who was green? Queen Ant? No. Badal was green? No. Roshan was green? No. The grasshopper was green? No. Yes, the grasshopper was green. So we will match green with grasshopper. You can use any of your favorite color, but please students, you have to match it with the help of scale. Do not draw any other lines with your hands. Okay, the grasshopper hopped. The grasshopper hopped. This is the action of the grasshopper. The grasshopper do not run, he do not crawled, he do not chased, and he do not carried bread, he hopped. Our second quality is wise. Who was wise? Roshan was wise. And then Roshan carried bread. Roshan carried bread. Number third is careless. Who was careless? Badal was careless. Irresponsible. Sorry, we have to do the actions also. Chased. Remember, Badal chased the red ants. So, chased is the action of Badal. Irresponsible. Badal was irresponsible. Badal was playful and Badal was young. Roshan was old and Badal was young. So Badal, the quality of Badal is he was young. Black. Well, the queen ant, Badal and Roshan all were black, but we will match with the Badal. If you want to match black with queen ant or Roshan, that will be also right. Then black-haired. Black-haired. Queen ant. Queen ant. The quality of queen ant is she has a black head. Sorry, big head. And she crawled. She crawled. She smiled. When she smiled when she saw the larder was full of grains and they were ready for the winters. She inspected the larva. So the action inspected is for queen ant. And she ordered. She ordered. The queen ant ordered. Old. Who was old? Roshan was old. And obedient? Roshan was obedient. And Badal tempted others. Badal tempted others. Okay, now as we have done with our book work, now close your books and open your copies again. We are going to do the same exercise in our copy too, but we will not match this. We are going to write the proper sentences like this. Okay, exercise number C you have to do in your copy. First, in your copy, you have to make the title page of unit 3, the busy ants, and then you have to do 1-page writing of this unit from your book. And from today's lecture, you have to do words meaning, then reading comprehension exercise A, and then reading comprehension exercise C. Clear? Please do your work according to my instructions. Exercise C on the red line. Now write exercise C on the red line. And then on the next line, write match the qualities and actions with the correct character. As we have done this exercise already in our book, so we have to write the respective qualities, characters and the respective qualities and actions with their respective characters. So you have to write the characters with the blue color and the remaining with your pencils. So the quality of queen ant is she was black and she had a big head. She crawled, she smiled, she inspected and she ordered. Then Badal. Badal was careless, Badal was irresponsible, Badal was playful, Badal was young and Badal was black. Badal tempted others and Badal chased. These are the actions of Badal. Then Roshan. Roshan was wise, obedient, old, black. As you can notice that I mentioned black in 3 of them. I also write black, the quality black in queen ant and in Badal and in Roshan also. And the action of the action of Roshan was he carried bread. He carried bread. Grasshopper was green and he hopped. Now the homework time. As today's class is almost over, your homework is, kindly note down your homework. Your homework is you have to do words meaning and exercise A of comprehension, of reading comprehension in your notebook. And exercise B and C in your book, page number 49. And exercise C in notebook. Exercise C, this one. And this one, this one is your book work. And this exercise is your copy work. I hope you all have understood it clearly. After completing your work, come to school on Friday for the and submit your copy for the purpose of checking, and then collect your copy from your school from the school on Tuesday. Take care of yourselves, students. We will meet soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.